guys in another video. And this one I will be tasting this honey ice cream, the mini
Somewhere, yeah.
Somewhere. I'm about to fight him after
the miniature ice cream cone. It's chocolate chip. I need to get out the wrapper.
Oh, I've been doing the same thing, but with Mr. E.
Oh. How can you trust someone that you've never met? We've never seen his face. Well, I guess we've never seen Joseph Banks' face either. But we at least physically seen him.
Well, Mr. E, he knows so much about it. I don't want our differences in opinions to get in the way of our friendship, though, B.
Yeah.
Can we agree on that?
I can agree on that.
Okay, I miss being part of the team again. I miss us working together.
Yeah, we worked so well together. That's how we saved Daniel. And so we need to work together again so we can get this ionizer. Can we give it to Mr. E?
We'll figure it out later.
We'll figure it out.
Wait. Oh, we just walked right past them. 3 hackers over yonder.
What the heck is going on here?
What? They were stretching.
I thought you guys said you were gonna fight.
You gotta stretch it
Well,
for a fight.
Oh my gosh.
The fighting will happen eventually, but you gotta make sure you don't get injured. Exactly. The only way you're gonna get injured is by me kicking your butt. Yeah, it's better than pulling a hamstring on a roundhouse. Yeah, you can split some. Yeah, and make sure I bring flex sheets in every mission. Enough of the formalities. Let's get the business.
Guys, just calm down, okay? You sure you want to do this?
Yeah. What are you doing? Skull! And cross kick! Oh! Oh! I got thorns in my body! I love it! I thought Spy Ninjas do a hit first. This is a sparring mission. You're supposed to spar. Come on. Yeah, good hit, Chad. Oh, thanks. Oh! Wowzers!
I don't see an ionizer on them or anything. I think we have to get closer. We're outnumbers. We get closer. Be careful. I see the ionizer.
It's good,
So
guys.
what the heck are you doing wearing these blue jeans over here? You know we're supposed to wear black pants at Project Zorgo, right?
Hey, it's laundry day, okay? I ain't got no black pants left.
You better know how to do laundry if you're on Project Zorgo. When we go out on missions, you gotta wear black pants.
That's the problem. We're going on too many missions out here. Don't got enough black pants, man. I can't keep up.
What are they talking about?
Laundry and their outfits?
I know. The guy's wearing blue jeans.
Doesn't know do laundry.
I guess they don't teach that at Project
So I got piece of the white stuff.
Yeah, me too.
Anyways, the ionizer.
I'm gonna zoom in because that might be better.
The plan. I think we should.
The bathroom around here? We're in the middle of nowhere. Just pick a bush.
That
A bush, what do I look like? I'm about to
I'm gonna scoop it in here and the ice cream.
These hackers are so weird.
He's going to the bathroom, which is actually a good position with 2 hackers.
But we gotta make sure that other hacker in the bathroom doesn't get his hands on the bush. He took off his pants. I don't want to pee anymore.
You messed up my hair! You who messes up my hair, I mess up their face! You messed up my esophagus! I messed up your asparagus? Why don't you asparagus?
You know what? Guys, stop!
I'll just help myself up, jeez!
Guys, come on!
I'm sorry, dude! Oh, okay.
Thanks, Chad.
What about me? Oh, you know what? Yeah, thanks, guys. You both helped me out there. Hey, no. Hey, guys, come on! Hey, guys, help me out with you. You're spy ninjas. The spy ninjas love each other. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my arms are tired now.
Oh, my arms are burning. Did you guys get it all out of your system? Can we just go help V and Regina? No! Jeez, Chad!
Come on, man. Step up your game. Man, I can't believe you guys are all giving me so much issues with my pants. You weren't blocked on Tuesday. Hey, there's a pin. Issues with my pants. What did you say? Yeah, pants. And I don't want to say anything about my shoes. Hey, what are you doing?
so good.
What are you doing over there?
Is the guy behind the bush just camping?
He's behind the bush, you guys. I don't see any of that. This is the perfect time for us to get the
Guys, they're running away. Okay, there's only one hacker left. V, I think you can take him down.
I can just use my stealthy spy skills.
Don't mind those on fire with my whistles.
Are you done yet, Melvin? You need to be part of the
Did you see
fight.
that? That shot? I'm
We're
fantastic.
gonna not fight for it. Bad. Well, you're gonna have to just call me Michael Jackson. Cause I'm bad.
Oh, and there's a closer look. I forgot to zoom in.